Louis Vuitton, a name that reverberates throughout the corridors of high fashion, stands as a testament to the enduring allure of luxury and innovation. Hi, welcome to Business Insights. Today, let's talk about the story of a homeless boy inventing Louis Vuitton. Let's get started. Born in 1854 at the hands of the visionary Louis Vuitton, the brand has not only weathered the sands of time but has also become synonymous with sophistication and exclusivity. Yet, beneath the sheen of high society and couture, a narrative unfolds, one that transcends the traditional boundaries of privilege and birthright. This is the story of Bernard Jean-Etienne Arnault, a homeless boy whose journey from the bustling streets of Paris to the fashion world defies expectations and inspires the world. Louis Vuitton, a legacy of luxury. The tale of Louis Vuitton begins in the intricate craft of trunk making, a trade that would elevate the brand to international acclaim. Established in Paris, the City of Lights, Louis Vuitton's commitment to unparalleled craftsmanship became the cornerstone of its legacy. The brand's trunks, with their distinctive monogram canvas, were not just travel companions but symbols of status and sophistication. As travel evolved, so did Louis Vuitton, expanding its offerings to include a range of products from leather goods to ready-to-wear collections. The brand's legacy is a testament to its ability to adapt and innovate while maintaining an unwavering commitment to quality. A legacy that sets the stage for the extraordinary journey of Arnault, the homeless boy who would redefine Louis Vuitton. The early years of the homeless boy. Bernard Jean-Etienne Arnault's story unfolds against the backdrop of the bustling streets of Paris, a city that, for all its grandeur, often overlooked the struggles of its less fortunate inhabitants. Born into poverty, Bernard faced the harsh realities of life without a stable home or access to the privileges enjoyed by many. His childhood, marked by adversity and uncertainty, could have been a tale of despair. Yet, within the heart of this adversity, a spark of resilience ignited. An innate curiosity that set him on a path of discovery, not only about himself but about the transformative power of dreams. Paris, with its cobblestone streets and majestic boulevards, can be an unforgiving place for those without a place to call home. Bernard's early years were a testament to the resilience of a human spirit in the face of adversity. Born into poverty, his childhood was devoid of comforts most take for granted. Growing up without the stability of a home or the privilege of education, Bernard's early years were defined by the struggle for survival. The bustling streets of Paris, though indifferent to his plight, could not extinguish the flame of curiosity and resilience within him. It was within this crucible of adversity that his unique perspective on life and fashion began to take shape, a perspective that would later redefine the very essence of luxury. A chance encounter with fashion. Mr. Arnault's odyssey took an unexpected turn one fateful day when, amid the struggle for survival, he stumbled upon a discarded fashion magazine. The glossy pages unveiled a world of opulence, beauty, and creativity, a stark contrast to the harsh reality of his daily existence. This encounter sparked a revelation, igniting a newfound passion within him. The allure of fashion became a refuge, a source of solace that transcended the harshness of the streets. In the ephemeral pages of that magazine, he found a glimmer of hope, a vision of a life beyond the struggles that defined his present. Fashion, with its ability to weave dreams and aspirations, became Mr. Arnault's compass in the tumultuous sea of his life. The chance encounter with that discarded magazine marked a turning point, a pivotal moment when the seed of creativity planted itself in his heart. The juxtaposition of his destitution against the backdrop of haute couture catalyzed a transformation. The boy from the streets, armed with newfound inspiration, began to envision a future where the language of fashion would be his voice, a voice that echoed the resilience and beauty that could emerge from the most unexpected circumstances. The unlikely mentor. As his passion for fashion blossomed, so too did the recognition of his raw talent by Isabel, a seasoned designer with a compassionate heart. Isabel saw beyond the tattered clothes and the hardships etched on Mr. Arnold's face. She recognized a creative spirit yearning for expression. In Isabel, he found more than a mentor. He found an ally, a guiding force that would not only nurture his artistic abilities but also provide the emotional support crucial for navigating the uncharted waters of the fashion industry. Isabel's mentorship became a transformative force in his life. Under her guidance, he not only honed his technical skills but also learned the nuances of navigating the complex and often unforgiving world of fashion. Isabel's belief in his potential became the cornerstone of his burgeoning confidence. Together, they embarked on a journey that would redefine the boundaries of possibility and challenge the preconceived notions of who could participate in the world of high fashion. In the tapestry of Bernard Jean Etienne Arnold's journey, Isabel emerged as the thread that wove together his dreams and reality. Her mentorship was not merely about imparting technical knowledge, it was about instilling in him the belief that his past did not dictate his future. Isabel became the bridge between the boy from the streets and the designer poised to make an indelible mark on the world of fashion. In the corridors of ateliers and design studios, a unique partnership flourished, one that transcended traditional teacher-student dynamics and evolved into a symbiotic relationship built on trust, mutual respect, and a shared vision for the future. The struggles and triumphs. The journey from homelessness to haute couture was fraught with challenges that tested Bernard Jean Etienne Arnold's resolve. The fashion industry, known for its exclusivity and sometimes harsh scrutiny, initially met his aspirations with skepticism. Many doubted the authenticity of his talent, questioning whether a homeless boy could truly make a mark in a world dominated by privilege. However, buoyed by the unwavering support of Isabel and fueled by an indomitable spirit, he pressed on. His design began to garner attention not just for their aesthetic appeal but for the poignant story they told. The story of a boy who refused to be defined by his circumstances. Arnold's early forays into the fashion world were met with raised eyebrows and skepticism. The industry, accustomed to pedigrees and established names, hesitated to embrace a newcomer whose background defied convention. Yet, within the ateliers and showrooms, his design spoke a language that transcended societal expectations. Each stitch, each silhouette, carried the weight of a narrative that resonated with audiences far beyond the confines of a runway. The struggles, however, were not confined to external perceptions. Arnold grappled with self-doubt, battling the shadows of his past that threatened to overshadow his success. Yet with every collection, he found the strength to confront these doubts head-on. Each triumph over adversity, whether in the form of a successful fashion show or the admiration of industry peers, became a testament to his resilience and the transformative power of fashion to defy preconceived notions. The fashion landscape, often criticized for its lack of inclusivity, witnessed a paradigm shift as his designs challenged the status quo. The boy from the streets became a disruptor, breaking down barriers that had long confined the industry to a narrow definition of beauty and privilege. Bernard Jean Etienne Arnold triumphs were not just personal victories, they were victories for diversity, representation, and the belief that talent could emerge from the most unexpected corners of society. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Business Insights channel. I'll see you in the next video.